going. It is raining here. It just started, and poor Biscuit is outside, so I wasn't about to run out and get him. He's got a doghouse. He knows how to use it. He plays the victim about staying outdoors, but he pops in the doghouse, so we're okay. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone's doing well. It's the weekend, and right after 4th of July, and everyone's just, running around for the summer and all of that. I wanted to pop on really quick here, just showing you guys the two protein drinks that I have been recently using and really liking, and it has helped me, maintain my girlish figure, especially for the summer. And I've dropped about 7-8 pounds now because I'm substituting one meal with the protein shake. Now, I'm not doing, 2 meals of protein shake and then a sensible dinner. I'm just doing one, and I usually have a very light breakfast. I'm not a huge breakfast person, so I'll have some scrambled eggs, or I'll have a protein bar or a Larabar, usually some coffee, and that's it. I'm good to go. But for lunch, especially for work, and of course around here, if I'm doing too many things and I just don't want to stop to have lunch, or I know we're going to have like a substantial dinner where we're either going out or I'm planning to cook something. For example, tonight we're making meatballs with spaghetti, so I know we're going to have a salad, we're going to have meatballs, we're going to have some fruit afterwards. So I just want to go ahead and make sure that I am having a controlled meal for my, for my lunch meal. And that's one thing. And the second thing is I don't want to get so hungry and ravenous because I'm skipping a meal, which you should never do, is skip a meal, is to be that ravenous and then overeat for dinner. And then, obviously it's not good for your digestion. It's not good for anything. So I'm going to move over here a little bit because I'm going to do some B-rolls on this side and show you guys some videos on me preparing the powders and how I'm pouring it in and everything. But I'm going to talk through, the two different ones that I have. The two variety that I have, one is the Ollie, and you can see this here. That's the Ollie brand plant powdered protein, and I really love this, guys. This is like the first one that I bought, and it's pretty expensive. It's like $24.99 for the whole box, but it lasts me pretty long time. And then the second one here is the organic protein, and it's by Purely Inspired. This one I got at Walmart, and I believe it was around the same price, maybe about $18-19, but it is big. It's like 1.5 pounds, so it's a pretty big jar. And this one also has in it plant protein, active probiotics, and fruit and veggie blend. So it's got some components in it that the Ollie doesn't have, where it meets your vegetable and mineral requirements for the day. So I'll talk about both of them, what I like, what I don't like, and everything like that. Now, if you're watching the beef footage over here, you'll see that the Ollie comes with a scoop that's nicely on the lid. I really like that. I don't lose it in the powder. The other one, this one here, the Purely Inspired, has also a scoop, but it's buried in between, in the powder itself. I find it kind of like that I have to dig into it, especially in the beginning, because they bury it like halfway through the powder and I have to dig it out. I really prefer the Ollie that has the scoop right on the top. You take it off, you use it, you put it back. It's really easy. The thing that I want to mention is for the taste, okay? The Ollie is really a pure chocolate taste. I really like that taste. It's creamy. It works very well. I've only used it with, regular milk, cow's milk. I have not really used it with almond milk or rice milk or cashew milk. I believe you could do that. That's not a problem. I just don't gravitate to it. I might pick it up, but I'm not a big, cashew or almond milk drinker. I've tried it. I've really given it a really good, college try in the past. It's just something that my taste buds just don't gravitate to it. And I'm at the time in my life where, I mean, if this old horse is not going to go and learn a new trick, it's not going to happen. It's just like I'm set in my ways. I like my cow's milk, and I drink that. It's got vitamin D in it, and I just can't get used to the almond milk or the cashew taste. I just can't do it. I've tried it. I've tried it in smoothies in the past and everything. It's just not me. The other one, this one here, the Purely Inspired one. Uh, it has the chocolate flavor. It has the good taste. It does have a little bit of a what I would call a slight aftertaste. Now, if you haven't had any other type of powders, then you won't notice it. If I'm comparing it with the Ollie right away, I can notice it. It has like a bitterness, a little bit of bitterness in it, and I believe that is because of the vegetable powders in it, and maybe the probiotic. I'm not sure, but it definitely has something in it that causes a little bit of a taste. It's not off-putting to the point where, oh my God, I will never, drink this again or never buy this again. I think it's a really good product, and I think it's very healthy, and I have absolutely no issues with drinking it. I'm just saying, if you guys are very, very finicky about taste and you want a pure chocolate taste, then stick with the Ollie. If you're okay with having a slightly different, a slightly off taste, but you still want your vitamins, your vegetables, and everything in it, then by all means you can take the Purely Inspired. It's got 20 grams of plant-based protein. It's organic formula, no artificial sweeteners, flavors, or colors, which is really good. It's got some it says dairy, gluten, and soy free. So that's really good if you're on a lactose intolerant diet or a gluten-free diet. This is a really, really good choice. Vegetarian and vegan friendly, 7 grams of dietary fiber, which is a pretty good amount. That's a good amount of fiber. And only 2 grams of net carbs. Non-GMO, contains organic fruit and vegetable blend, digestive enzyme and probiotics, 26 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids from flaxseed. So a lot of really, really good ingredients. Here's the packaging again so you guys can see it. And like I said, this should last me quite a while. So I just wanted to pop on here and let you guys know. Like I said, I've lost about 7 going on 8 pounds now. I've dropped one pant size. I've gone down. I've recently gone to Old Navy and gotten some shorts, just summer shorts and things like that. And I was able to very comfortably get into a lower size, one size lower than I usually get into. So that was a really good, I was like, wow, this thing buttons up and I don't have to suck everything in, and I don't have a muffin top. I mean, it was like, this was really, really a good, I was very happy to see that. Usually you go into the dressing area. I know what is going on with my throat today. Dressing area, and you try to zip up or button up, and I'm like, I get so disappointed, honestly. And then I have to go back, and I have to get, if I really like it, I want to get, a larger size or whatever. But it is what it is. I'm trying ever so gently to drop the weight, because they do say that the quicker you drop the weight, the quicker you gain it back. I'm trying to do it very slowly, in moderation and in a healthy way. Just walk a lot more, do a lot more things with the dogs and everything, and then just get on with burning energy and stuff like that. Oh, I wanted to make mention, I didn't know if you saw this. Is this the cutest thing? Snapcat instead of Snapchat. You see? The little cat's doing a selfie. Isn't that adorable? I actually stole that from my son's wardrobe the other day. I saw it. I was doing his laundry, and I said, oh my God, that is such a cute t-shirt. I have to borrow it. So he's not a I mean, he's bigger than me, obviously, and I wear I wear my t-shirts loose anyway. I like to wear them loose, so it's no big deal if I wear his t-shirts. I fit into it very well. So anyway, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that it has been helpful in trying to make a choice as far as some protein drinks and some meal replacements if you're thinking about doing anything like that for your diet, or just to drop a few pounds maybe over the summer and stuff. I don't get any the TMI, but I don't get any gas from this. I don't get any ill effects as far as my stomach is concerned. I don't get cramps or anything like that. I haven't had any problems with any of these powders, so I can safely recommend them. Obviously, you need to judge for yourself how your body's going to react to something. And if you have any questions, you should talk to your physician about it before you start on a diet regimen. But I can tell you from my own experience, I have had no negative effects from this. It's filled me up, it's given me energy, and I really, really like it. So thank you so much for joining me. Big swallow. Please give this video a big fat thumbs up if you like it, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I do put up, videos about twice a week. And that's it. I hope you're having a wonderful summer, a wonderful, vacation if you're out there. And, there's a couple of hurricanes and typhoons out there too, guys. So be careful if you're by the ocean, and especially with rip currents and everything like that. Keep an eye on your kids at all times, especially in the beach, because things happen very quickly out there. So make sure that again, they're hydrated, and then they have sunscreen on, but always keep an eye out for them, especially around water. Okay, I love you guys very much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.